Suzuki Philippines is celebrating its 50th anniversary in the country this year. The celebration flagged off with a One Suzuki kickoff ride featuring a motorcade of Suzuki motorcycles and several Suzuki 5-door Jimny and XL7 hybrid units. The motorcade wound its way from Suzuki's manufacturing facility in Canlubang, Laguna to Pico del Oro in Nasugbu, Batangas. Participating in the two-day celebration are representatives from the brand's motorcycle, automobile, and marine divisions, as well as invited members of media and influencers.
We are here in Nasugbu, Batangas for the One Suzuki Kick-Off Ride. This is an activity of the three divisions of the company, which is the motorcycle, automobile, and outboard. This is basically the official start of the 50th anniversary celebration of Suzuki in the Philippines.
Suzuki first entered the country selling motorcycles and since then has become a trusted name for manufacturing and distributing quality two-wheeled motor vehicles in the local market.
Suzuki Philippines has contributed significantly in the landscape of the motorcycle industry in the Philippines for the past 50 years. So in terms of our products, we were able to provide the Filipino consumers with high-value, quality, efficient, and reliable motorcycles that truly enrich the lives of our customers in terms of mobility. And also in terms of the economic aspect, we were able to build a manufacturing plant here in the Philippines located in Laguna, which employed close to 1,000 employees at present.
The Suzuki Automotive Division also has established itself as a trusted brand for distributing innovative and reliable vehicles.
Suzuki has introduced iconic models like Samurai, Super Carry, Swift, and Jimny, which has become a part of Filipino lives. Recently, we launched the Jimny 5-door and XL7 hybrid, reflecting focus on our innovation and sustainability. We grow Suzuki dealership 69 showroom in Philippines. Filipino customers have access to our vehicle and services.
Suzuki's Marine Division has only been in the country since 2017 and formally launched in 2019, but already it has become a preferred brand for outboard motor engines for boats.
Our outboard motors are not only popular in the leisure boat sector, but they are also become an essential part of the commuter segment, serving as transportation of passengers between ports in places like Boracay. So we have 21 dealerships and boat builders in Philippines.
The One Suzuki Kickoff Ride marks the start of a one-year celebration of its 50th anniversary, with a larger event planned for mid-year as well as several new model launches.
We have a lot of activities for this year to celebrate the 50th anniversary of the company. The two divisions will have integrated activities lined up for this year. In fact, we have a major activity this coming June, so watch out for that. And aside from that, we'll be launching more innovative products that will contribute towards CO2 reduction.